Monday.com versus Todoist. Which works best for personal productivity? Let's get straight to it. If you're trying to figure out which tool will take your personal productivity to the next level, Monday.com or Todoist, you're in the right place. Both claim to help you get more done, but they approach things very differently. By the end of this video, you'll know which one works best for your needs, and spoiler alert, I might have a recommendation for something even better. First thing you'll notice about Monday.com is its broad project management features. It's designed more for teams, but that doesn't mean it can't work for personal productivity. You can create boards, track tasks, and manage workflows, all in a colorful, highly customizable interface. You've got all kinds of automation, notifications, and integrations with other tools. But here's the catch, it can feel overwhelming. It's got a lot of features, and for personal use, you might find it bloated. The learning curve can be steep, and unless you're using it for complex projects, you might never tap into its full potential. Next thing, Todoist is simple. Really simple. It focuses on task management and does it really well. You can quickly add tasks, set due dates, and even create recurring tasks, which is great for anyone trying to stay on top of daily responsibilities. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't require a ton of setup. But there's a downside. While it's fantastic for managing basic tasks, if you need something more complex, like multiple workflows or detailed project timelines, Todoist can feel too basic. It lacks the depth that Monday.com offers, especially when it comes to managing big projects with multiple team members. The third thing you'll want to consider is the level of flexibility each tool provides. Monday.com offers a lot of customization options, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your exact needs. But as mentioned before, this customization can add complexity. You're going to spend time getting everything set up just right. On the flip side, Todoist is much quicker to set up and start using. There's no lengthy onboarding process. But that simplicity comes at a cost. Once you're working with a lot of tasks, Todoist can start to feel a bit restrictive. It lacks the customizable views and advanced features that might be a deal breaker if you're looking for something more sophisticated. Next, let's talk about mobile experience. Both tools have strong mobile apps, but Monday.com has more functionality packed into it, which could make it a bit slower to navigate on smaller screens. For a quick to-do list update or task management on the go, Todoist's mobile app is smoother and more user-friendly. If you're someone who does a lot of work from their phone, Todoist wins this round hands down. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the cost. Monday.com offers a free plan, but to unlock most of its key features, you're looking at a pretty hefty monthly subscription. For personal use, this might not be worth it unless you're really diving deep into its features. Todoist, on the other hand, has a solid free version, and the paid version is much more affordable. If you're just looking for something to stay on top of tasks without breaking the bank, Todoist pricing is way more reasonable. Now, let's get to the part you've probably been waiting for. Both Monday.com and Todoist are solid, but there's one thing that might just beat them both. After trying both of these myself, I realized there's another tool that might be a better fit for personal productivity. If you want a better alternative for personal productivity that beats both Monday.com and Todoist in key areas, you should definitely check out the tool linked in the first description below. Through that link, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial and some special benefits that aren't available anywhere else. All the tools mentioned here are good in their own right, but if you want something that's even more effective, I highly recommend giving it a try. Check out the link in the description to take advantage of that free trial and start working smarter, not harder.